Magandang araw po. Short reading po tayo for Capricorn. Card, can you give us a short reading for Capricorn? Thank you po pala sa lahat ng mga nag-heart at saka nag-shares ng videos natin and nag-comment. Marami pong salamat sa inyo. And your first card is the Seven of Swords. A warning card. Ang card na to kasi is lies, deception, and betrayal. It's either ikaw yung nag-betray sa isang tao or warning to sa'yo na may mga taong mag-betray sa'yo, magsisinungaling sa'yo. And your second card is the Knight of Sword. Since lumabas yung card of deception kanina, this card symbolizes impulsivity and hastiness. Clear communication is very important. If paiiralin mo yung impulsivity and aggressiveness mo sa pakikipag-communicate, for sure may masasaktang taong importante sa'yo. And your third card is the Page of Coin. A new beginning. Tingin ko magkakaroon ka ng bagong trabaho or meron kang idea for a new project. And makakabuti ito para sa personal growth mo, Capricorn. Kasi nakikita ko na you want something na mag-e-enjoy ka at mamahalin mo yung ginagawa mo. And this is your short reading, Capricorn, no? Intelligent person ka, Capricorn. Kaso lang, medyo impulsive and aggressive ka. Tingin ko ito yung reason kung bakit may mga taong magbibetray sa'yo. Or vice versa, ikaw yung nagbetray sa kanila. And yung huling card mo, ito yung bagong inspiration mo na magbibigay sa'yo ng joy na matagal mo nang hinahanap.